Okay, class 9. We will continue exercise 7.1 triangle chapter number 7. So till question number 4 we already have done. Now today we will start from question number 5. So in question number 5, line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on line L. Question number 5, exercise 7.1. Question number 5. Now it is figure is given. This line bisect angle A. This is line L which bisects angle A. This is angle A. Means these two angles are equal. And B is any point on L. So B is any point on L. This is point B is on L. And BP and BQ are perpendicular from B. BP and BQ are perpendicular. So BP, this is P, and BQ are perpendicular from B. This is perpendicular to the arm angle A. To the arm angle A. So arms of A are, this is AP is the arm of A and AQ is also arm of A. So that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. So here first we will write given line L is the bisector of angle A, is the bisector of angle A, and B is any point on line L. It is also given that BP and BQ are perpendicular from B. Are perpendicular from B to the arm angle, arms of angle A. Now we need to prove triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. So to prove, number 1 is angle APB is triangle APB, not angle. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. And number 2 is BP equals to BQ. Number 2 is BP equals to BQ, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A, from the arms of angle A. Now in proof, we need to prove triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. APB is congruent to triangle AQB. So in that case, we will consider these two triangles. In triangle APB, and triangle AQB. In triangle APB and triangle AQB, here this angle L is the bisector of angle A, so we can write this angle equals to this angle. So first reason is angle PAB equals to angle BAQ. Why? Because L bisects angle A. L bisects angle A. L is the bisector of angle A, or L bisects angle A. This is the first reason. Now second reason is for triangle APB and AQB, this side is common for both the triangle. So AB is common. So we can write here AB equals to AB. It is common. It is common side. AB is common. And the last reason is BAP. This angle equals to BQA or AQB. So angle APB equals to angle AQB. Why? Each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. 90 degree each, or each angle is 90 degree. So we get these three reasons. Therefore, we will be able to write triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. By which criteria? This is angle side angle. Angle by angle side angle congruency. So this is the case for number 1. Now we have to prove BP equals to BQ. Okay. For this, if the triangles are congruent, then we can say that the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. So by the property of CPCT, we can write BP equals to BQ. Number 2. For number 2, we can simply write BP equals to BQ. Reason is by CPCT. By CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. Okay, B is equidistant from arm of angle A. So this equals to this. This equals to this. Equidistant means equal distance from QB. If QB equals to 2 cm, BP is also 2 cm. That means B is equidistant from the arms of angle A, means AQ and AP. B is equidistant, means B is equidistant from both Q and P. B is equidistant from both Q and P. Okay, this is the solution of question number 5. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.